Hello and welcome to a gorgeous day here in Woodley and to this tour of number 172A Reading Road here in North Woodley. So what we have here is a detached chalet bungalow style property. It has 4 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. There is a floor plan on the advert which will give you all the sizes. So let's start the tour. I just want to initially show you the location of this property. Excuse as a plane goes overhead. So first of all, you can see the driveway, the garage to the right there. You can just about spot that we've got additional parking at the side of the garage. I'm just going to spin round and just give you an idea of just how far back from the Reading Road itself we are. So there you can see the drive, probably around about 50 yards long, with Reading Road in the distance. So at the end there, turning left takes you down to Woodley Shopping Centre. Turning right takes you a short distance to the Marks and Spencer's Food Hall and the Shepherd's House roundabout. A few other shops there as well. Easy access from there down to the A329M and onto the M4 of course. So really nice tucked away location for this detached property. Let's now take you inside and show you around. So we're in the entrance hall. You can see the front door in front of me there. Door to the left takes you to the cloakroom sort of shower room. And if I just step forward, turn round, just to give you an idea of the layout, we've got the lounge door there, staircase with a very deep, good sized understairs cupboard and a door there taking you into the kitchen. Let me just show you the downstairs WC stroke shower room first. You can see the low level WC, there's a radiator there. Front aspect window with shutters. The windows of this property are all UPVC double glazed and we've got the shutters fitted to the front windows as you'll see. Just looking to the left here, we have the wash basin and also then the shower. I'm just going to point upwards. There's the shower itself. It's got a glass door on the shower. So finished to a good standard, which you'll notice that throughout the whole of this property. Very nicely presented. And now let's show you the lounge first of all. So good sized lounge. To the left you'll notice we've got a sort of square bay window. Let's just step forward and sort of point upwards slightly. You can just about catch the driveway there. So it's front aspect again with the shutters. See a radiator underneath the window there. Let me just spin round a little bit, pointing out the log burner, quite a nice feature, and then the rest of the room. There's a radiator to the right just behind the settee, and ahead of me we've got a door opening into the conservatory. And let's just now look at the conservatory. I'm just going to hover at the door here. I just want to point upwards because this is quite a feature of the house. It's a really high pitch, very impressive conservatory. Real Victorian style. Got a nice tiled floor. It's all UPVC double glazed and part brick. You can see space for a dining table and chairs, and then equally we've got a little sitting area. There's a radiator, so it's an all year round conservatory with the doors opening onto the garden. So let's just spin round. Look at the lounge from this angle and then I'll show you the rest of the ground floor. Okay, so now back into the hallway. So just stepping through this doorway, I'm going to turn immediately left. I'm not really going into the kitchen itself, so immediately left. Here we have, well, this room is used by the current owners as their main bedroom. This could be a dining room, a typical chalet style property where you could use rooms in different ways, but we've got a dual aspect. There's a window on the left there and then the double French doors to the garden. So good sized room and one of those rooms that's pretty flexible. I'm just gonna walk around to the right here before we look at the kitchen and show you this room. This again is another room that is currently used as a sort of study and bedroom, like a guest bedroom. You can see we've got the bed there. We've got a wardrobe, freestanding wardrobe on the left hand side. I'm just going to step forward here and turn round just to show you the sort of room that we've got with the little study area as well. This would take a double bed if you wanted. Front aspect window there with the shutters overlooking the driveway. So that's 2 ground floor bedrooms or rooms that you could use for other purposes. Let's now focus on the kitchen. So we have a room that's a bit of a wow factor here. Really good sized room, as you can see. Granite work surfaces, lots of drawers, cupboards, eye level units to the left and also to the right. Nice tiled floor, and a particular feature is the sort of lantern skylight window we've got here. Door to the right takes you to the to the utility room, and the door on the left, open there, that's into the garden. Just show the units over this side, and spinning round. Obviously this side you may have noticed we've got the range cooker, and the window then overlooking the garden. So, door to the left here now into the utility room. So this is obviously where the washing machine and the tumble dryer would live. It's got a sink unit with hot and cold water, so it's more of a laundry room really. Good range of eye level units there, as you can see. Another skylight window. And the door ahead of me takes you directly into the garage. That would make the garage really useful from a storage point of view, with sort of freezers and that sort of thing. You'll see ahead of me there we've got a Valiant gas boiler, and then if I spin round to the front we've got an electric roller door. So really handy having the garage with direct access from the utility room, certainly from a storage point of view. Very convenient. So back into the kitchen. So that is the ground floor. Let's now show you the first floor. On the landing, you can see the half landing window just down there and the staircase. So we've got 2 double bedrooms here and the family bathroom. Let's start by showing you this bedroom here. So these 2 bedrooms are pretty much a mirror image of themselves. They're the same sizes. They are doubles, and with this particular room has got a single bed in it. You'll see all the furniture. A double bed would certainly sit in front of me where that double wardrobe or the triple wardrobe is. Just on my right hand side you can see the window. So this is at the front. Again with the shutters, the radiator underneath. I'm just spinning round. Space for a desk there. And in the corner we've got access to the eaves storage. You can just about see the cupboard there. So definitely a double room, as is this room across here. This one actually has a double bed in it, and plenty of space for more furniture. Just on my right hand side here we have got the eaves cupboard again, and then spinning round the front aspect window. Excuse the image of myself. Front aspect window there with the shutters and the radiator underneath. And then last but not least, the family bathroom. It's a white suite. We've got a panel bath with a shower over. Got a glass shower screen, which you may just be able to see. And the low-level WC and wash basin there, all in a unit together with a vanity cupboard underneath. Again, front aspect window with the shutters. Nice modern bathroom. So that is the first floor, and in fact concludes the property itself. Let's go and have a look in the garden. The garden's accessible from 3 separate doorways on the back of the property. I'm taking you through the kitchen door here, and then along this path it opens up into the garden. Very pleasant feature of the house, very private, as you can see. It's a good day to show the garden with the sun shining. You can see the log cabin there, which I'll show you in just a moment. Let's just wander along here, spin the camera around. There's the conservatory, and the property itself. This is definitely one of those properties that's a lot bigger than it might seem initially from the front or the rear. It's a bit like a TARDIS, if I'm honest. We've got an access at the side of the property, just to the right of the conservatory there. But just ahead of me here, we've got the patio. And we have this like a freestanding fireplace here, there. Quite a nice feature of the patio. With a sitting area behind, plenty of space there for dining table and chairs. Great for the barbecues. And now let's focus on the log cabin. So let's just wander in. I'll show you the inside first. So it's all made of wood. It's got this lovely, I think it's a pine smell. You can see the window there. Great sort of home office, games room. Yeah, it's got all sorts of uses. As you can see, it's very much used as a sort of an addition to the patio. Let me just step back and you'll see the actual outside of the log cabin. Let's just walk to the left. And then we'll just finish with a quick spin round. One final view of the garden. So that just about concludes the tour of this property. Any questions, then please do call the number on the website. My name is Gary. Do ask to speak to me with any questions. Alternatively, it's exactly the same number to book a viewing appointment, and I look forward to showing anybody around that would like to see inside. Thank you very much for watching.